Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a ladybug. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. So first let's draw a upside down V. Now let's draw the circle. Draw a curve in between the lines. Now the head, eyes and then antenna. Now let's draw the circles. Now, using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.